Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 16th, and I'm going to be buying some shares into my Webull accounts. It is the 1K challenge. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, I created a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together and talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, options, anything to help us grow our accounts and become a better trader and investor. It is only 33 cents a day, so it's not a bad deal. I'm very active on there. So if you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave my link down below. So the stock I'm going to be buying more shares of, that is Ehang. Ticker symbol is EH. It's sold off today. We can see that it went to a high of 129.80 just last week. And right now, it dropped 60%. It hit a low of 44.46. So let's find out what happened to Ehang. It says, Ehang plunges after new Wolfpack Research short report. A short report from Wolfpack Research alleges that the company is an elaborate stock promotion. Wolfpack claims that Ehang's relationship with its primary purported customer is a sham, citing phone calls, on-site visits, and other evidence. Ehang's purported main business is in autonomous aerial vehicle AAV ride-sharing network. Ehang short interest 13% of flow. Wolfpack also released a video of its short reports on Zero's TV.
Founder of Wolfpack Research. Welcome to the chopping block, Dan.
Thanks, Max. Called ticker symbol Ehang Technologies. They are purportedly a leader in innovative eVTOL, electronic vehicle takeoff and landing technology. They have a fully autonomous, so they say, vehicle that they are bringing to market. They'll be the first one to do this with cutting edge intellectual property and technology. They are the first that I know of listed company on the exchange, with many, many more large competitors to join them soon.
Let's talk a little bit about the space because I think it's important to understand, what type of company we're dealing with here. You're not saying that the space is one that needs to be shorted. It's specifically this company within the space. You actually have a pretty bullish view on the eVTOL companies.
Yeah, the eVTOL space is going to be huge. You have very large players in there. Boeing, United just signed with Archer to have 200 delivered in the next few years. General Motors is in there with Cadillac. You've got Joby, who just merged with Uber Elevate. They're a very big number of large players that are coming to market within the next few months, actually. And we're very bullish on some of them, in spite of the fact that, some of them are going to be SPACs. I guess not all SPACs are bad, but this space is going to be huge. The problem is when you look at Ehang, who rushed to market, and I understand why they did now, because they're basically a stock promote with largely fabricated sales. They have one customer that we could find who's also a distributor, also a competitor, by the name of Shanghai Kongshin. So we've looked at this customer inside and out, recorded phone calls, on-site visits, interviews with their finance manager, and we basically come to the conclusion that these contracts that Ehang has purportedly signed with Kongshin are shams, in that this benefits both parties. Kongshin has an investment pre-IPO into $16 million investment, undisclosed. That investment today, just by the stock price valuation, is worth $50 million. When we go to talk to Kongshin's finance manager, who's the only employee we could find, first of all, backing up into this, trying to find Kongshin was not easy. They had 3 listed addresses. One of them was a hotel, which was not Kongshin. One of them was a building, and they reported that they were on the 13th floor of an 11-story building. By the time we actually did find them, we found one employee there, their finance manager, who did nothing but complain about what a terrible product has in their EH216. He said, what we found, and we already knew, that it basically can fly for 10 minutes. It's got 30 minutes of battery life by the time you're landing and you're taking off.
There's more to the clip, but I just haven't got all the way through. I just want to take advantage of this 50% drop. And I think it's just an overreaction. Yes, there is a short seller report, but how many times a short seller report actually is true? Except for Nikola. That one is true, but majority of them, they're not true. And so I want to take advantage of this drop. And also I have one share that I bought when it was around $70. So I want to average down as well. And I won't be buying that many shares, possibly just 5 shares, because this is just a $1,000 Webull challenge. And let's see here. So limits. And then make sure extended hours is there. And we're going to buy 5 shares. Total cost will be $245. And go ahead and buy. Confirm. It did not get executed. Modify order. Confirm. It did get filled at $49.74. So let's take a look at my positions here. I am down $11.53 overall. So now I have total of 6 shares of Ehang. I am down $22 on that. GE 1 share. Time, I have a cash secure put that expires this Friday. 1 Zynga, 580T, 50 naked, 1 Southwestern, and 2 4. Let me go ahead and show you the amounts. So my total net account value is $1,080 right now. If Ehang does continue to go down, I might buy more shares. My cash balance right now is $662, so I do have some money left just in case it does continue to go down. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I should buy for my Webull challenge, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I'm trying to see if I can grow the small accounts. Let me know what you think of the short seller reports. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks again. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.